Freakum, how are we doing today? This is the added customization that we're going to be doing today. Team Customizze. We're going to be wrapping the roof on the car. We're going to be doing the back headlights. We're going to be doing the diffuser. We're just going to play around with the car a little bit to see what it's like. I was going to wrap the car initially, but now the amount of compliments I get on this colour, I don't think I'm going to go there yet. So let's do these cosmetics. Let's see how we go. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're just new to this channel, like and subscribe, because I got loads more car content, especially BMW content coming. Freakum. Yeah, we're getting the roof cleaned. We're gonna wrap the roof. So we're gonna wrap the roof from the top. Bring it all the way down to this black lip on the boot. And we're gonna do the headlights. I've got black badges coming for that, the competition badge underneath. Contemplating running a strip across the bottom here. I'm not sure at the minute. Got a splitter coming for the bottom. Going to wrap the diffuser at the bottom there. If you can see, it looks grey. Just want that black two-tone look going on. And then we're going to, I was thinking wrap the door mirrors, but I think I'll leave that until we get the side skirts on the front lip that's coming for the car. And we're going to put some brows across here to give it a little streamed look. I've got a black grille coming for it, so watch the space. Where the shade is here, follow the shade. The shade right here. I'm gonna put a strip to here, under that shade, so it looks right. Break it up, and I think on the back here, where the shade is, bring another strip and run it to there, or either leave that panel and just focus on the shade here from that door, running down. Doing a couple of other bits on it, yeah. We're gonna sort out this because it's coming up and it's coming away from the boot. So we've got a couple of cosmetic touch. I've got a Maxton splitter kit for the car, which is in the box in the car. If you show us in the case, it's there in the box, it's sitting in there. But I think that's gonna be a day 2 job. But the car's gonna start looking fire right now. Freakum. So we're here, we've got this front splitter, we've got the side skirt here, and there should be something else attached to that. going on the beach today. There's definitely something else in the box if you have a look. Yeah, there we go. Maxton design, well done. They've given us a 2021 calendar. We'll see how good that is. This is the car without the side skirt on. I'll show you the car with the side skirt. Coat on this. We did wrap the roof, but then in the end we went for the paint on the top roof spoiler, because to match the bottom it never had the depth on the wrap, so I think that's a better finish. Basically we're taking a walk around the car. This is what we've done to it. There's the front lip, that's the front angle of the car. The Maxton design front lip looks nice. They got the order a little bit wrong, I would say. I've had the wheels done, spacers on, you can see through there. I've had the carbon fibre side vents done. The side skirts there, you can see Maxton design. The privacy glass. Plus wrap over the roof. That's the stance on the back of the car. The badging's changed. The BMW badge is all black. The competition badge is there with the 4-litre eye. Makes it look really aesthetic. This side of the car. You can hear the dog barking in the back. Allow the dog. Wrap the mirrors in black. Wrap the roof. The grille, I was contemplating going black on the grille, but to be fair, you can see the bolt bars through it, and it makes it look really aesthetically pleasing, in my opinion. What do you guys think? If you see this coming behind you. Also, we put brows onto the headlights. So yeah guys, tell me what you guys think. That's the car. All the cosmetics have been done. I did order 2-piece from Maxton. They've got it wrong, but the rest of the stuff fits bang on. But they should have sent the right bits out. They're the only ones that make for the car, but they're saying the 2-piece on the back that sits across here, 2-piece lip that sits here, it was too long for this. It only matches the round exhaust, so don't order that. So yeah, that's another project. There we are. Got these 3 quad separated pieces that are going to go onto the exhaust. That automatically just looks better. That's before. It makes a really big difference. It's a quad look. It's like the A45, A35 AMG look. You know, they don't have twin pipes, but they have a separation in them. So that's how it looks right now with the separation. we had to chop the piece off because the piece that Max and send out for this car is for the round exhaust. It didn't fit, it was just too long. It was going into the tailpipe. So they said send it back because it's not made for the car. So if you buy the Maximum pieces, the side skirts, bang on. The front splitter, bang on. But the two splitter for the back bumper, don't buy it. It don't fit. So we had to cut it to make it sit right. Bang on, mate. That looks bad. Yeah. That looks bad. That fits flush on now. Customized. They come, and this piece is how much we chopped off. So if you look at the difference, can't really tell until it's on the car, but we have to chop off at least 2 inches to get that to fit on. So I was thinking of getting the DPF filter removed, which is around about here, just to get the pop-offs a bit more apparent. What do you guys reckon? So yeah guys, that's where we're at. That's the cosmetics looks of the car, what I've done. And tell me what you guys think. I personally don't want to do much more to it. I could put a diffuser on the back, I'm contemplating that, but at the minute I painted it and it sets it off. If you see the presence of the car on the road, I've been getting so many more compliments. When I first bought it, everyone was complimenting the colour, now they're actually complimenting the stance on the car. It gives it that wide look. It's the only X3 in the country that I think, M40i, that looks like this. Tell me what you guys think. Are you happy with this? It's customized. It's what we do. Speedys wheels. If you guys need anything doing, just let me know in the comments or reach out to me, DM me. SoIFreakum. The email's here, soifreakum@gmail.com. I'm here to help you guys. If you like what you've seen, I've done it with the S5, I've done it with the X3. This is what I do. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it. Like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. Freakum.